Every day when service starts, the curtains open and you don't know what's going to happen. And the demand for us to be creative, to mentor staff, promote the restaurant, to keep the business side going, it's a huge job and it takes a huge toll. You need to make sure that your body and mind are in the right place for you to simply execute that to the best of your ability. Sawadee krap, my name is Chef Top. I'm the chef and managing partner of Mia Restaurant in Bangkok, Thailand, 1 Michelin Star. Mia, we didn't start off as a fine dining restaurant, and we were serving a la carte style. After a lengthy discussion with our business partners and also COVID, we decided to shift back to fine dining restaurants. The foundation of the techniques that we cook, the way that we present it, is a very European or French. But we cook it in a way that portrays our personality, especially our taste profile. Our main philosophy of cooking is very simple. We cook what we like to eat. As embarrassing as it sounds, that I got into a little car accident and I slept at the wheel in traffic. Due to my sleep apnea, which I've ignored for years, I hit the car in front of me and that was a huge wake-up call. Living healthy has influenced my cooking. I'm definitely more attentive about what goes in and the reasoning behind it. When I had my sleep apnea, I drank like 5-6 Thai teas a day. You gain a bit of weight, your sleep gets worse. You just normalize the state of fatigue. And that's why I didn't take sleep apnea as anything serious until my wife was like, you should really look into that. Took us a while to get there, but I eventually listened to her. Michelle has the hardest job in the world. I don't listen. I really just do what I want. And I have this hate of people telling me what to do. The great thing about Michelle and the greatest appreciation I have was none of it was physical. The fact that she did it out of non-aesthetics and she just wanted me to be healthier was amazing. And she did it slowly. You know, if I ordered 2 cups of Thai tea, she'd be like, why don't you just have 1? That was very helpful. These are meals that I eat alternate weeks that Michelle and I enjoy at home. We think it's relatively simple to make. You can find all the ingredients in your nearby supermarket. And the great thing is, you know, it is very quick to do. So we're gonna do today kapow with grass-fed beef, chilies, as many types as possible, garlic, white pepper, oyster sauce, fish sauce, Thai basil, and a bit of dark soy. Cauliflower couscous, so raw grated cauliflower, some grapes, rocket, and nut dressing. Spicy lentil stew with chicken, cooked lentils. We do it almost like a risotto style with butter, mascarpone, tomatoes, garlic, onion. To go with that, we have a non-traditional tzatziki. So it's grated cucumber that's been salted. The excess water has been squeezed, and then we fold that through with some creme fraiche, some fresh lime, and some mint and fresh herbs. Super healthy, really easy to make, and these are the things that Michelle and I eat on a regular basis. The reason I wanted to live a longer and a healthier life is that I just want to be around. There's no reason why you can't live to 100, and people should thrive for that as a normality. So that's my main goal. I really want to be around as much as I can for my family, for Michelle, yeah, for my loved ones.